Welcome to KP Law News, Florida. I got a story here. It is not out of Florida. It is out of Columbus, Ohio. The news source on this is NBC4 Columbus. And a Columbus police officer is going to prison for a long, long time. And here is the story. Let's get to it.
In prison today, nearly 5 years after he shot and killed an unarmed man. Adam Coy can seek parole after 15 years for the murder of Andre Hill.
Now, Coy's attorneys say they are going to appeal the decision. And NBC4's crime and safety reporter Anna Hoffman, she was inside the courtroom today. She has covered the case for us since the beginning.
In court, we heard from members of Hill's family and Coy himself, both sides acknowledging the other family's loss, but standing firm on why they do or do not think this conviction is right. A former law enforcer now sentenced to life behind bars. Former Columbus police officer Adam Coy is convicted of murder, felonious assault, and reckless homicide in the shooting death of Andre Hill in December 2020.
Rather, this man gets a life sentence, 15 years, 20 years. It will not change the fact or bring him back.
Hill's daughter, former spouse, and sister all sharing impact statements at the podium.
And now his absence means everything. His life was taken in the most brutal and unjust way, without warning, without cause, and without mercy. There was no explanation, no justification.
Coy had the chance to speak too before receiving his sentence.
In those trainings, I was taught to respond to a threat without hesitation because action beats reaction.
All right, now the threat he's talking about is a man coming out of his house with his hands up, unarmed, and this cop opened fire on him and killed him. That's what he's said his training is. What?
On the night in question, I did just that. My actions have affected both sides of this courtroom. It weighs on me heavily.
Coy and his attorneys said in court they will appeal this case. Coy's defense team saying current Ohio law starts their case on an uneven playing field.
And this verdict sends a...
I want you to listen to this. Just listen to what she says.
Chilling, harrowing message to officers that in spite of the law allowing police officers to make mistakes, in reality, this verdict and this sentencing says they're not allowed to make mistakes.
Okay, did y'all just hear what she said? Wow. Wow, they make mistakes. Murdering somebody is a mistake. So they go free and clear if they make mistakes like this? What?
Franklin County prosecutor Shayla Favor in a press conference following the sentence called this a big day for the county and rebuilding trust in law enforcement.
And when that power is gravely misused, accountability is not an option. It is essential.
Judge Stephen McIntosh ending the sentence with one last statement to Coy as to why he thinks the jury made the right decision.
I obviously had an opportunity to review the video as part of the evidence in this case. You asked him to come out with his hands up, and that's exactly what he did. It was not like Mr. Hill was trying to evade. It wasn't like Mr. Hill was running at you. He was doing exactly what you told him to do, which is come out of the garage with your hands up. And so I think that carried a lot of weight.
To life in prison today, nearly 5 years after he shot and killed an unarmed man. Adam Coy can seek parole after 15 years for the murder of...
15 years, he will be eligible for parole on a life sentence. So, will he do 15 years until he's eligible? Will he get out early? Will he do the whole stretch of life? Will he be in there until he dies? I don't know. Will he even make it a year or two in prison? I don't know. Crazy, man. Shot a man coming out of his garage with his hands up. not fighting, unarmed, doing what he was instructed to do, and he still shot him. What the heck? That's murder. So that's what they got convicted of, murder, and he got a life sentence, eligible for parole, 15 years. So there you have it. That's a news story out of Columbus, Ohio. I know I cover a lot of Florida stories because I'm in Florida. So, well, that's the name of the channel, KP Law News Florida. But I surf the news, all the news channels nationwide, looking for stories like this one here. And so we're going to try to be bringing some more content in from nationwide, not just Florida. We're going to go nationwide on some of these articles. So if you have any news clips from your local area, just like this one we just watched, email them to me at kplawnews@gmail.com or send me the link or just let me know about it. I'll check them out. kplawnews@gmail.com. So there you have it. Police officer got sentenced to life. So I appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day. KP Law News Florida out.